Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Binance account. The first step is go to Binance app. And here, click on sign up. Then just type in your email address. And click on privacy policy. Then click on next. Now, to confirm your email address, go to your email's inbox and look for an email from Binance. I will just copy and paste it. So go back to Binance and paste it in here. So just set up your password and click on next. Then under referral code, enter the code you can see on screen now. You can also copy and paste it from the video description below. So click on submit. So applying this code will give you a 20% discount on all of your trading fees on Binance. Let's click on verify identity now. So now on to step 2, verifications. Click on verified now and select your country. I will select China. And click continue, then provide your personal information. Please remember your full name needs to be the legal name showing on your passport or ID card. Click continue. Nationality, date of birth. Please also remember date of birth should match in your passport or ID card. So for me, I will choose ID card as my verification. Click on continue. So if you're choosing China ID card as your verification method, you will need to provide a photo of your ID card. So there are two options. The first one is take photo with phone, and another one is upload existing photos. So for me, I will go straight to the photos, take picture with phone. Click on continue. And just follow the instruction on the screen. And now you will see document is already uploaded. Click on continue. And you also need a liveness chat. Also click on continue. Following the instruction on the screen. And now you will see the verification successful. Then click on your account. You will see that your account is pending because Binance needs some time to verify your account. It will take a short time to verify your account. Once your account is verified, click on your profile. Now you will see your account is verified. So I highly suggest taking a moment to enhance the security of your Binance account. So click on security here. I recommend users to enable both Google Authenticator and Passkey. This extra layer of protection significantly boosts the security of your account. So first, let's start with Google Authenticator. So click on Authenticator apps. So if you don't already have an authenticated apps, download the Google Authenticator application from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So click on download Authenticator apps and just search for Google Authenticator. Click on download. So once when you download, just open the app. So when you already download Google Authenticator, just click on enable. Then you will be prompted to scan a new QR code, which is right here. If you already have the apps, click on plus sign in the bottom right corner, then scan a new QR code. Or you can just copy the code here and back to your authenticator and click on here, enter a setup key. And just paste the key and you can name for Binance. Click on add. So now you can see that your Binance authenticator is already added now. Back to Binance, click on Next. Then it will generate a new 6-digit code every 6 seconds or so. So just back to your Google Authenticator, copy the codes, enter in here. Click on Submit. Now you can see that your authenticator app is already added now. So Google Authenticator stands out for its enhanced security, generating dynamic digital codes directly, bypassing the need for a caret. On the other hand, passkeys is another security layer I highly recommend you to do. So click on here, just click on Add Authenticator, click on Continue. So now you will see that passkeys need to combine Face IDs with your mobile phones and your account number for verification simultaneously. So just continue with your Touch ID. Yeah, and now you can see that your passkey is successfully added now. So this will ensure that you and only you have access to the account. And also, in the event if you lose your mobile phones, even if someone opens the Binance app, they won't be able to withdraw money due to the lack of access to your real-time Face ID. So the beauty of passkey lies in its ability to prevent hackers from getting access even if they manage to steal a code. Since your phone is an integral part of the verification process, it adds an extra level of security, making passkey the top-tier choice for safeguarding your accounts. So once that's done, you have completed the security process and you will have full access to all the features of Binance.